ChatGPT just became a kind of an Apple Store. And is it possible to make money with your own GPTs? As of now, as a ChatGPT Plus user, you now have a kind of an App Store or Google Play Store, but in ChatGPT. This means that you can find GPTs that work best for you, but you can also create and add them to the GPT Store. In this video, I'm going to explain in depth what it is and how you can use it. When Apple introduced the App Store, a lot of people were hanging around in the App Store and using apps on their phone instead of websites. So today we are working more and more in GPTs, for example ChatGPT, and now they have their own store. So the ecosystem is going more and more inside of these AI solutions. So therefore it's very important to stay updated about the possibilities of AI and in this case GPTs. So how do we go to the ChatGPT store? Well, as a Chat Plus user, you have here the button Explore GPTs and you go to it. Here you have the search bar, so you can search for any kind of stuff. So let's go for social media post. Hit enter. And then we have all kinds of companies or people that created GPTs. So for example, Canva, that's a familiar, but this one, Drillio, social media content creator generator, or viral social media post generator by Jeff Hunter. And what we see here is who produced it. So this is Jeff J. Hunter. Here we have by Galil.ai. And here you see the engagement of it, and we can click on it. And then you are in the GPT. So we're already in ChatGPT, but now you are using this GPT. And here you can see that you selecting this GPT, and then here new chat, keep in sidebar. So I will do this, and then you have it here in the sidebar. If this is a good GPT, you can use it more. And then here I can write a viral post about AI, about Chat GPT and the GPT Store in 2024. So this is a fun way to test GPTs or apps if you're used to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and see which GPT can really help you. So don't only look at the engagement of these GPTs, but also test them and see if they can work for you. Then we have here featured. These are topics from this week. I think OpenAI is selecting them. Then they have trending, most popular GPTs of the community. I think this means that these are used more often than other ones. I'm not sure if these are the plugins that they called before. Maybe these are different ones. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. Then you have the by ChatGPT, so they have their own GPTs. Of course, DALI, known already, data analyst, and more. Then we have the DALI. Skip that one. Then you have writing, and there are all kinds of themes like productivity, research and analysis, programming, education, and so on, so on, so on. And that's how the GPT store works. And you can create your own GPTs and add them to ChatGPT Store. Does this mean that you can create money or monetize ChatGPT? Well, as of today, in the US, there is a GPT Builder Revenue Program, and you can get paid depending on the engagement of your GPT. I immediately have a question, because if a popular GPT is easy to copy and paste, how can you make money out of it? It probably has to do something with data that you have or a select group of people, and this can be used via an API. Maybe that's the secret, that you can monetize your GPT. Another question I have is, how is the revenue model split? So how much do you get from building a GPT that has a lot of engagement? Is it the business model of X? Is it the business model of the App Store? We're not sure, and probably will learn more in the future. Let me know what you think about how you can earn money with ChatGPT and the GPT Store in the comments below this video. So let's go to the GPT Store in ChatGPT. As a ChatGPT Plus user, you have access to it. And here you can see the create. And here you can create your own GPT. Here is a configure button, and make it a bit more special and a bit more protected to use the API, and that you can find in create and actions. And here you can add an API key. If you like to see how you can build this, please subscribe to this video or like this video, and in the near future I will show you how you can do this by creating your own GPT. But for now, it's just a walk around in the chat. I say always chat store, but it's the GPT store. How do you get this? How do you know that? Well, you go to your settings, then you go to settings and beta, and then to build a profile. And here it says personalize your builder profile to connect with users of your GPTs. These settings apply to publicly shared GPT. So this is my name as of today. This is not correct. I should change it to AI Adventures. That's the name of my YouTube channel and my website. And I also can connect it with each other. So this is the place where you can set your name that you want to see. So if you are Jeff J. Hunter and that's the name you want to be recognized with, then you can put it there in the settings tab. So this was an update about the GPT store that just launched this week, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe and like this channel, and you stay updated about using AI in your business, in your company, and in your daily life via short and practical videos. For now, I leave you with these two videos that you can watch and learn more about using AI in your business, marketing, or daily life.